In the name of God, the most gracious, the ever merciful. Tensions and worries are a part of our life. Financial stress, disease, hopes dashed to the ground, putting up with a difficult spouse or an unruly child, and death of a near one are some of the common sources of our tension. The best way to cope with these tensions is to accept that they are an integral part of life. God wants to test the attitude we adopt when troubles come our way. He wants to see if we are still grateful for the favors He has blessed us with or end up complaining and brooding. We can literally enjoy and savor every moment of our life if we follow some tips. The first of these tips is that every calamity that befalls us has some good concealed in it, which we may not know at the time it comes our way. It does feel hard, but out of darkness emerges light, and we are stronger than before. It is here that we need to trust God and show full faith in Him. Try we must, and try we should, to tactfully handle every trial that comes our way. But at the same time, we must resign to the will of God at this stage, because it is this submission which is the essence of religion. The second tip in this regard is that we should mentally prepare ourselves that a life of trial awaits us. If one trial goes, the next one will not desist from coming. It is a relentless process. If we mentally accept that this is a happening that is bound to befall us, we will feel less bothered by it and learn to live with it. In fact, live in peace of mind with it. The third tip in this regard is that the favors of God we enjoy leave us much to think of what we have than what we do not. His list of favors easily outnumbers His list of trials. So, let us keep an eye on this list. Being happy in happy times is very easy. Being happy in difficult ones is not. The former comes naturally, and the latter needs a different approach to life. Some of its ingredients have just been spelled out before you. So, let us revisit our attitude to life and enjoy every moment that lies in store for us.